Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. So, in today's class, we will be starting with a new topic, and the topic is about the prepositional words. The topic name is where is it? Where is the thing? So if you ask somebody about the thing, let's say you have lost your book and you ask your siblings about, have you seen my book? So the answer would be about the position of the book, that where it is placed, right? So all of the words that we use to tell the position of something are known as positional words or prepositions, right? So we do use prepositions or positional words in English to tell about the position of something, that where it is placed, whether it is above something, whether it is below something, whether it is behind something, whether it is in front of something, right? So all these words, behind, below, above, in front of, on the top of, all of these are the positional words or prepositions, right? Okay, so the topic name is where is it, right? So when somebody asks you about the position of something, of where the particular thing is, so the sentence or your answer would be about the position of that thing. So I'll tell you, we will together learn that what are the different words that we use to tell the position of something. Got it? Okay. So let's start our lesson with the reading of book page number 55. I want you all to please open this book. Hurry up. The topic name is where is it? Now it says, how many things can you see in the playground? There is a picture of a playground and there are a lot of things in that. So the question is, how many things can you see in the playground? Okay. Now look at the slide. Okay. On the slide, what is going on? Marvi is going up the steps. There is this girl. She is going up the steps, right? Peter is going down the slide. This is Peter and he is going down the slide, right? What next? Three children, Ali, Hassan, and Lubna, are sitting under a tree. Now there is this tree, and under the tree, Lubna, Hassan, and Ali are sitting over there. Got it? Okay. What next? Look at the kites at the top of the picture. Now, on the top of the picture, we have kites. One, two, right? Look at the bottom of the picture. The bottom is this portion. The balloon is in Zara's right hand. This is Zara, and she is holding a balloon in her right hand. Okay. What else? The words in blue tell us where things are. Now, all of the words which are in blue in this section, they basically tells you about the things, that where things are or what is the position of those things, right? So these are only the few words that tells us about the position of something, where the thing is placed, or right. So there are a lot of other words. We will learn them together. So I'm going to share the screen with you, and you will see the different other words which basically tells us about the position of something. Okay, look at this picture. The first one is under. Okay, there is this mouse and the mouse is under this box, right? So the word under is also used to tell the position of something, right? Then we have between. Between, the word between is used when the thing is placed in the center of two objects. Let's say this sparrow is sitting between two boxes, right? On one side of it, there is a box. On the other side, there is a box, and the sparrow is sitting in the center or in between that, right? So the word between tells us about the position of something which is, yes, which has something on both sides of it. Then we have out or close to. Now, this cat is out of the box. The cat was inside or into the box, but now this has come out. So the word out basically tells us when something, yes, when something leaves a place, leaves something and come out. So we call it as come out. We use the word out or close to. Or you can say that the cat is sitting close to the box, right? Because it is very near to the box, right? Okay. Look at the next word. Then we have in or inside. The cat is going in the box or the cat is sitting inside the box. Now, these are again two different words which are basically telling about the same position, right? That the cat is sitting inside the box. Very good. Okay. Look at the next one. Above. Now, when something is placed at a particular position and the other one is at a particular height from that, we call it as a position which is above, right? Let's say the balloon is above the ground, or the this bird is above the box, right? So above basically tells us about a heighted position of something. Then we have behind. Behind mean when something is hiding from us. Behind word is similar to hide, right? When something is hidden, yes, at the back of something we call it as behind. Let's say this cat is behind the box, right? So this is the next positional word or the preposition that we use to tell the position of something. Then we have on. Now this bird is sitting on the box. The word on is also used to tell the position of something, okay? And the next one is in front of. Now, like the word behind is used when something is hidden, in front of mean when something comes in front of, when something comes on the front of something, at the face of something, we call it as in front of. Now this is another word and this is also telling us about the position of something, right? Okay. Now these were some more prepositional words that we can use to tell the position of something. Now what is your class activity? That you are supposed to draw the picture of something. Sorry. Or like there is a picture in your book, you are supposed to Google a picture of something, any scenery, it can be anything. Or look around you, what is placed in your room around you, and then write down the positions of that thing. Let's say when I look around, the book is on the side table, right? So on is a prepositional word, right? Okay. Then I can see that the duster is above the book because it is placed above the book. So this the above is again another word, right? Then I can say that the marker is behind the keyboard because it is hidden because of the keyboard. So similarly, you are supposed to look around you, then make few sentences out of something, things which are being placed around you in the room by using the prepositional words. Hurry up, start writing. Just simply look around you and write down the sentences. Yes, everybody is working. Sarah, are you writing? Any confusion? Okay. Yes, Ahmad, are you writing too? Okay, good. Yes, Elize, very good. Everybody is working. Let me know if anybody has any confusion, okay? You can ask me for the help. Yes, all of you are done? Okay, show it to me one by one. Very good. Excellent. Okay, so that was all for today. What we have done, we have learned about the prepositional words or the positional words, right? And the word, what are prepositions or the positional words? which basically tells us about the position of something, that where is something placed, right? Okay, so now what is your home assignment, that you are supposed to revise this page, read it again at your home and let me know if you have any confusion, and search for some more prepositions as well. Okay, I'll ask you about that in tomorrow's class. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.